Hello again, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to Double AZ Slots. We're in front of Jim and Jules at High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. And hopefully my Jim and Jules will be nice to Double AZ Slots. We're on a $1 denom. We got $60 in the machine. Let's try to hit it big for Double AZ Slots. We're going to do max bet. 20 hits and see where it takes us. Let's hit it big. Come on, Jim and Jules. Main thing is try to see if we can get a red spin and double up. Well, we got a letter Y. We got 30 on there. Thank you, Jim and Jules. Double up. Let's warm it up now. Let's warm it up. Red spin, that's what we were looking for. Come on. Bring your sisters along, Jim and Jules. Bring together. Oh, that looks nice. Playing up there in the attic. Oh, there you are, right there. It would have been 4,000 credits. Let's see, we go to there you are, right there. That would have been real good. Oh, come on, guys. Come on, ladies. Get together. that would have been nice. Well, we got 3 more. Let's take it down. Let's bring it on home. Hey, we got 15. Red spin. Hey, we got 100. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Making me hungry. We got small diamond that generated that. Then we got the hot dog for 180. And I tell you what, that we hit it big, Jim and Jules. Now we're gonna take it down to 160. Always have a backspin on this baby. Well, let's go for 2. Well, I got a penny out of that. Oh my gosh. Let's finish up with 3 max bet. And last one. Well, Jim and Jules was nice for double AZ slots this time around. And we double up. We got a couple of red spins. So I'm happy to that. I'm happy to walk away with the win. So thank you, Jim and Jules. And if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up. Pass it on to your family and friends. And if you haven't joined our double AZ slot family, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to let you be notified when we have another video on its way. So as for me, Armando, and my better half, Elizabeth, may you all be safe and take care, and we'll see you on the next one.